bluebird is one of the most welcome residents among Missouri's birds. Its bright colors and cheerful song make it a favorite with almost everyone. In addition, it is a highly beneficial bird. About 2/3 of its diet is insects, many of which are damaging to crops. Bluebirds are a rural bird, seen in open grasslands with scattered trees or fences. Urban residents seldom see bluebirds and sometimes become concerned that they are rare. Actually, bluebird numbers are on the rise. They're about 4 times as abundant as they were just a decade ago.